Okay, I just want to take a moment to talk to you guys about what Vizzlie is. So, I talked a little bit about pre-scheduling your posts in Facebook. Vizzlie is different. So, it is a third-party service that will actually post on your behalf to Facebook. So, if you see in one of the groups that it says that it's posted, and right below it, it'll say your name if you posted it, or it'll say Vizzlie. So, when you're looking at posts, you can kind of see. So Vizzlie, you upload a template and then you just link it to a group. So you don't have to schedule each individual post. So I have 2 that I have to pre-schedule. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, walk you through it, and then you can see how it goes. I believe every month you get 1 free group that you can schedule. So a lot of people like to do their VIP group. And then I believe it's $10 a month for unlimited. Okay, so lots on this dashboard here. But you can see all the groups that I'm tracking. There's still 1 post to go out, 1 post. So these parties are finishing up. So I'm going to go over to my groups. And I am going to pull up the ones that I want to pre-schedule. So there's some available down here. So Alyssa's and Stephanie's are the ones we're going to track. So I'm going to go ahead and hit track group. All the ones above were ones I'm already tracking. Track. So this is 8 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, so I'm going to open the group. And I'm going to use a template that I've already pre-created. So it is making memories with books. It's going to be at 6 p.m. in Mountain Time, because that's where I am. And it's going to be, let's see, hold on. This was Alyssa's. Okay, sorry, hers is on Tuesday. So, making memories. 8 o'clock p.m. on Tuesday. Okay. And I'm going to do all the posts. I'm going to load the template. Okay. And see, this template has all of the stuff in it that I'm going to be using. So down at the bottom here, it is going to ask me to replace some text. So on each one of these posts, it lists the host name. So I am just going to put Alyssa's name down there. Sorry, just making sure which party I'm in. Okay, so it will replace the word host in any post with Alyssa's name. Save that. Okay, the date is going to be Tuesday. And the time is going to be 8 o'clock Eastern time. Okay. And that's it. So I'm going to scroll back to the top. So it looks like posts we're going to start the 22nd, because I'm a little bit behind, and the 23rd. So today is the 24th, so I might edit these just a little bit. So I'm going to move this one to the 24th. And I'll do it in the afternoon. Okay, update that. Okay, so since these 3 are in the past, they're going to post automatically. So they're all important, and I don't want to overload to, let's see. You know what? Maybe I'll delete this one. So we're not going crazy this morning. Okay, so the Tell Me Your Readers post will go up. Okay, that looks great. Okay, so these 3 are going to automatically post now. So all I have to do is flip the toggle. 3 posts are going to go up immediately. Continue. Done. That's it. Okay, let's do the other one. So we're going to go back to groups, scroll down and track Stephanie's party, 8 o'clock Pacific time. Just going to move it up here. Open group. Select a template. So 8 o'clock is going to be 9 p.m. in Mountain Time. And hers is on Thursday. So hers is actually on track. Load template. Okay, so I'm going to go to the bottom and just change text. Thursday. Whoops. Thursday. And then it's going to be 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Actually, I'm going to change that to say PM. 8 o'clock PM. Okay, so today, this is a little past the time, but this is going to go up automatically. And then this evening, my welcome post is going to go up, and then all the posts that follow. So I'm going to go ahead and, before I turn this, actually, I'll turn it on. Okay. Okay, one thing I do want to note here is the welcome post, post 3, and post 5 only have the videos connected to them. Vizzlie does not allow you to do a video and images. So you have to choose. Do you want to upload the video or do you want to upload the images? I chose the video because they do take a long time to load in Facebook. So when post 1 goes up, because I'm already on anyways, I just hit edit the post. I add the 3 graphics that go to it, and then I usually tag everybody. Then when post 3 goes up, I edit it, add those 3 graphics, and save. So, I mean, I'm already on anyways. Another option that you could do is you could do Vizzlie for everything except for post 1, 3, and 5, and you could pre-schedule those in Facebook groups. So just a thought. But the nice thing about this template is you can share this template with anyone. So I could share this code with you and you could edit it so that your stuff is in here. So that is it. Thanks guys for joining me.